Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke, and if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for today's video, it is something a little different than what you're used seeing from me, because happinessboutique.com actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their beautiful jewelry. So they have a ton of rings, they have bracelets, earrings, necklaces, you name it, they've got it. So I was able to actually pick out two lovely rings because I feel like I still want to be able to actually show it, and because my hands are mostly in picture, let's put it to that, I thought a couple of cute rings would be perfect. So I decided to pick two really cute ones, and this first one is actually a very simple band with a little heart shape going on in there. I got a size 7 for both rings, which means they fit perfectly for my thumb as well as my pointer finger as well. I have very narrow fingers. They aren't wide at all, so a lot of rings are usually too big on me. I have quite a small size, and yes, my thumb is actually the same size as my pointer finger, so yeah, but just look at how cute that looks. And I decided to go for a silver coated or plated stainless steel ring because I also wear white gold as well as silver rings. I wear those on a daily basis. I actually have a white gold wedding ring and I really wanted to match. I think it could be quite cute to actually match some gold and rose gold with it as well, but maybe that's something I can do a next time. The second ring is actually a very cute, very modern band with a little crystal. It kind of looks like a diamond ring, like a small engagement ring or something like that. I think it's really cute. As you can see on my other rings, I do love some gems and crystals and so on. So I felt like this one looked pretty cute. And I think you can actually just stack them together a little bit as well. I think that could be a really cute combination. But since the heart is quite big compared to the crystal, I was like, I'm just going to wear them separately and just do the one with the heart on the finger where I usually already have a ton of crystal kind of rings, and then the one with the small crystal I wear it on my right hand where I have my wedding band and my engagement ring as well. So yeah, I think it's a really cute combination. It definitely matches really well with my white gold ring as well as my other silver rings. So yeah, I was really happy with that. Each of these rings are 23.90 euros, so just a little below 24 euros. And I do have a discount code if you want to use it. I will leave all of the information, the discount code as well as the links down below in the description box, as well as the pinned comment, so you can definitely check it out for yourself. But because I do have a nail related nail art channel, I really wanted to do a super cute nail art design as well, with some matching colors that fit perfectly or are kind of inspired by the packaging that these rings came in. So yeah, I'm going in with a nice ochre dark yellow kind of color. I'm going in with a beautiful dark blue. Of course, I'm showing you here all of the colors, the brands and the names of the polishes. So if you're interested in getting maybe all of the colors that I'm going to use, you can definitely look them up as well. I have pretty much purchased each and every single polish that I am using for this design, and I am going to do kind of a drag or dry brush, I have to say, dry brush technique, but I did want to use a little bit more polish than usual. So if you don't want to have a super dry brushy-ish technique, you can definitely go in with more pigmented polishes and be done way faster than you would be if you would use thinner or less pigmented polishes. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you how to do this because it is so easy. It is insane. I really love the end result, and I do think that the color combination is quite cute. So yeah, kudos to Happiness Boutique to actually use such cute packaging, because it's not always about what is inside. Sometimes you like a nice packaging as well. And I am pretty much a sucker for packaging anyway, so yeah. For a white, I have already applied the white polish that Holotaco came out with. I have just applied one really thick layer on forehand and let that fully dry. And of course applied a base coat on forehand, which was by PJR Care nail polish. You've heard me rave about that brand for so long. It is definitely one of my favorite base coats, and it just works wonders for me personally, because you know, these are my natural nails, and if you use nail polishes as much and as often as I do, sometimes polishes can discolor your nails or stain them, and the base coat that I used actually really prevents that really well. So yeah, what you want to do is actually just go one color at a time, do all of your nails with that first color. So I started off with the yellow, just randomly added some splotches here and there on the nails. I'm going to do the same for the kind of like minty green kind of color as well. I think this is such a cute color. It is a little bit more sheer than the other colors that I'm using for this particular design, but I thought it matched the packaging quite well. I'm also going to use a little bit more of like a peachy pink kind of color. It looks quite corally on camera, but it was a little bit more towards the orangey side and the pinky side in real life. For some reason, my camera just doesn't like colors like these, even though I do use my color card to actually make sure that my camera sees like differences in between colors, but I don't know, it just doesn't like this color. I personally love this color because it's very bright and very pigmented, as you can see. And it did match the packaging of the rings quite nicely. Then to finish it off, the last color is a beautiful dark blue. This one is by Zoya. It is so gorgeous. Like, I can't. I really love dark blue, kind of like navy kind of colors, and it's just a little bit of more like a darker touch to the entire design. I do think that the colors are really cute on their own, but combined they're really fun. Like, it's just a perfect spring or summer kind of design in my opinion. Of course, you can recreate this design with any other color of your personal preferences. Whatever color you like will, like, it doesn't matter. You can use whatever color. Any color will work. There aren't really rules to nail polishes and nail art, or at least in my opinion. I just feel like if you want to do a design with only pink colors, or you want to do something with pink and green and whatever kind of color, it is totally fine. It is totally up to you. This is just a nail polish and you can always remove it if you don't like it. But yeah, this was the entire like design part already. I am going to add, of course, a top coat as well, which is also by PJR Care nail polish. This one dries super fast and just gives a beautiful glossy shine to the nails. And it also pretty much makes sure that your manicure stays put a longer period of time as well. Usually my manicures last for at least 5 to 7, sometimes even 10 days without chipping. Of course, I do get some like tipware because I have quite a manual like full-time job. So yeah, but other than that, this top coat is pretty much bomb. So yeah. But back to happinessboutique.com. As I mentioned, I do have a discount code. It will be available, or at least you will be able to use it for a limited time. So yeah, just check it out and see if you want to use it, or if you just want to check it out, because they do have a ton of other like jewelry as well. If you're not into rings, maybe you're more a bracelet kind of guy or girl, or maybe more like earrings or anything like that, they have such a cute collection of jewelry. I really love it. And yeah, I'm just really obsessed with the 2 little rings that I received and actually chose myself. I think they match really nicely with the rings that I already wear like daily, I'd say. I think they're really lovely, very delicate as well. They have a ton of other really delicate rings and other like bracelet designs and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely check them out. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.